Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Torque problems can be tricky, but we will solve this fast. Let's find which rod matches the torque of rod X by using physics principles. First, remember that torque is the product of the force magnitude, the lever arm distance, and the sine of the angle. For rod X, the force is at the very end. Next, we see rod Y has a force at the midpoint. Even though the distance is halved, the perpendicular force component is doubled compared to rod X, balancing the total torque. Calculating these values shows rod Y matches the torque of rod X. Therefore, option B is the correct choice.
Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush when calculating. Trust the given values and check your steps.